Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can install a screen protector on the iPhone 16 or the 16 Pro. So before we begin, we need to give the phone a good clean. So here, I'll give it a clean. So just give it a wipe. And then we dry it. Okay, here you can use the dust observer or the dust stickers and remove any dust from the display. Now with this particular screen protector, I can use a tray, so just like that, push it down. And then with this screen protector, we're going to peel off the top. So I'm just going to place it in here, and we're just going to drop it down. Now push out any bubbles that you have. So with the tray helping the glass to sit in the correct position of the phone, we can now kind of push away the bubbles. There are some bubbles, but we can push it out. As you can see, if I push it out, it will come off here as well. So just continue to kind of push and swap out the bubbles. Okay, and finally it's done. So that's how you can install the screen protector on the iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. Thank you for watching this video.